Maybe all you need for the weekend is this warm lemon poppy seed muffin. It doesn't get better than this. The whole house will smell amazing. Mix the lemon zest with the sugar, add all the dry ingredients, a pinch of salt, baking powder, baking soda, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, mix and set aside. In another bowl, mix the wet ingredients, the yogurt, vanilla extract, vanilla bean paste, the eggs, mix well, add the melted butter. Add the wet to the dry, and the trick is never overmix the batter to get the fluffiest muffins ever. So treat it like a pancake batter, few lumps are okay. In a muffin tin lined with parchment paper, top with some vanilla sugar. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Enjoy warm as is or add the perfect lemon glaze or maybe vanilla glaze. Enjoy!